Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your lead magnets with ConvertKit, how to deliver your lead magnets with ConvertKit. Basically, what this means is when someone signs up for your email list, they get the lead magnet that you've promised them immediately. So you don't have to send it to them. You don't have to set up some long automation and all that sort of stuff. It's really quick and easy with ConvertKit. This is probably one of the big reasons why I even got ConvertKit, because they showed me how easy it was for this specific feature, like when I looked online and looked for tutorials and stuff. And this was the big thing that I needed from my email provider. Like, I was using MailChimp before. MailChimp is weak when it comes to delivering email lead captures and all that sort of stuff, because you got to set up a wild automation and all this sort of stuff, which you won't have to do here. So let's get into it. I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better at YouTube marketing, online business, and music. And if you haven't got ConvertKit already, please use my link. Go to growonyoutube.com/ConvertKit. That link does help out the channel, and you should want to help out the channel because I'm helping you out. So get involved. So let's go to ConvertKit real quick. This is going to be real speedy, real, we're just going to get it done. We're just going to get it over and done with. So first things first, we need to go to new form, because that is how ConvertKit works. You use forms in order to capture people's email addresses and in order to deliver them the different lead magnets. Different lead magnets are delivered through different forms. So not automations, they're delivered through the forms. Now, I do have a whole series of videos on how to create your own landing page and all that sort of stuff. And I suggest using Thrive Themes. I have my own series on that, for how to create your WordPress website and set up your email landing page. But ConvertKit actually does allow you to create landing pages in ConvertKit, or you can just create a form in ConvertKit and embed that on any page that you want it to be embedded on. Now, personally, I don't really like these, and I think Thrive Themes stuff is better. But if you don't want to pay for that, then you can just use this. So we can create a landing page, which is great because you should have a landing page. The reason why you want a landing page, I know this isn't a video about that, but I want to give you the information because why not? This will help you out in the long run. The reason why you want a landing page is you want one page that is specifically has one goal on it. You can have more pages than that, to be honest, not just one specific page, but generally you have a page that has one goal. So if you want to get people's email addresses, you want one page that asks for their email address. You don't want to have a page with all your blog posts and all this sort of stuff and all these distractions and other things that people can do instead of just give you their email address. You want people to have one option. Either they give you their email address or they bust out and they don't give you their email address. That is the situation that you want to create. You'll get more conversions doing that. You'll get more people on your email list. Hope that helps you out. Just a little tip, just a little sauce, isn't it? Just give you the little sauce. So let's get into it. Let's just pick any one of these. We'll just choose this because wow, they've got a bunch of new. Oi, yo, let me take what I said back before, yeah, because I didn't know that ConvertKit had updated and created so many different landing page templates. I haven't even seen these before, to be honest. I haven't even looked into ConvertKit's landing page template. But let's get back into delivering the lead magnets, okay? So basically, what you do right about now is you create your landing page. So whatever the lead magnet is about, you talk about it in your headline, you let people know what they're gonna get, yeah? Then the only thing you need to do is go to this part of the email, this incentive email, yeah? And what you need to do here is you can edit the email content, so you can change what it says in the email, which is up to you. That's optional. You can let people know exactly what's going to happen throughout that email. If you want to edit the email content, just press this and it will take you to an editor that you can edit the email with. Now, if you don't edit the email, then the email will say something like, "Hi, it's good to have you. Click the button down below to confirm your email address." Now, the way I've set it up and the way I suggest you set this up is that people can only download your lead magnet if they confirm their email address. You don't want people to be able to enter fake email addresses and or just get your lead magnet and not confirm their email address, because then, you know, that's useless to you. You want people who are active and willing to open their emails and click the button to be on your email list. You don't just want any random people. It's not necessary to have big numbers. It's better to have a deep connection with the numbers that you have. So on the incentive email, we could auto confirm new subscribers. This will mean that whoever comes to subscribe, whoever enters their email address, whether it's real or not, will just be added to your list. Don't do that. The reason you don't want to do that is because you're just going to have people on your list who aren't reading your emails. That's useless to you. That's just going to cost you more money. So here is the area you need to worry about. Here is where you'll actually set up your lead magnet. So we'll go to download, and then all you need to do is choose a file. Choose the file that you want people to be able to download. I can't choose this file because it's going to be too large. So let's go to downloads real quick. Let's see if we can just get something over here. Something small. How to change outfits on your horse. There you go. So we've uploaded our picture that people will get when they sign up to this list, which is wild. Obviously you'd have a PDF or, you know, something along that line, and then all you need to do is save it, to be honest, right? And then you're done. Then all you need to do is put out this specific URL, and I think if you go here, where do you need to go? You go share, go to share, and you get the actual link, and then you just can paste that wherever you want. I would create a redirect link from your website that goes to this form, so that you just don't have a weird, you know, website link that just looks weird. It's better if it's like, you know, your website / whatever the actual lead magnet is, and then it'll be easier for people to remember to actually get to this lead magnet. And I'm just giving you a bunch of information about how to build your email list, when this video is really just about setting up your lead magnet and delivering it with ConvertKit. So I hope that this additional information is something that you're interested in. But yeah, we're done. Like, I could have done that in a minute, to be honest. You can do this in a minute. It's not hard. It's very easy. And when people sign up to your email list through this form, they will get that download when they click the confirm button. What will happen is they'll get a confirmation email when they sign up, and then if they click the blue button in that email, it will take them to their download, or it will automatically download on their computer if they're using a computer. So that's the way that works. It's very straightforward, very, very easy. You won't have to send out the free download through the email, you know, manually. You won't have to set up some long automation. It's just, you just add the email or the download, the free lead magnet, to the form that you want people to fill in to get the lead magnet. And that's how you set it up. And then obviously you can make sure that this form is connected to an automation that people then go through later down the line. But we can make videos on that. If that's something that you're interested in, let me know in the comment section down below what you want to learn about ConvertKit from me, because I don't know what direction I want to go in with the ConvertKit videos. I can do pretty much anything at this point, because I've been using ConvertKit for like a year and a bit, I believe. So I know a bit about it, innit? But I don't want to get too deep when you don't know the basics. So I'm planning to go through the basics and all that sort of stuff. So if you got any ideas, anything that you want me to cover that you're having trouble with, let me know in the comment section down below, and then I could just focus on those things, because I know that people are having specific problems with those, and I'm helping specific people. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. It's a bit long. It's, you know, a 10-minute video. It didn't need to be 10 minutes. I know, I understand that, but please bear with me, because I wanted to give you all the information that actually helps you with email marketing, because that's so important. And yeah, I just wanted to give you some extra information, so this isn't just a video on how to, you know, do whatever, like straightforward. Like, you actually come away with a bunch of value from this. So I hope that helps you out. Remember, if you haven't got ConvertKit yet, go to growonyoutube.com/ConvertKit. Helps out the channel. I'm sure they give you a free trial as well, so you can try it out if this is your first time learning about ConvertKit. And yeah, question of the day is, how many people do you currently have on your email list? I think that would be really interesting to see where you're at in terms of email marketing right about now, because it's severely important, and it's definitely underutilized a lot. And trust me, in 5 years, you're going to see a lot of people being like, damn, should have made an email list. So if you haven't got an email list yet, let's get involved. Over the next year, I'm going to teach you exactly how to use ConvertKit and all that sort of stuff. So let me know what you want. Comment down below. In the next video, you'll learn more about YouTube marketing, online business, or music. So I'll see you there. Peace.